guys, I swear I'm always wearing red when I turn on the camera. Like, I swear, my favorite color is like purple. But guess what we got? Lights. Oh my god, like, it's been like, I don't know how long, but get off the table. Well, now you guys know to never hire me to put lights on the tree because I feel like I didn't even put any on the bottom. So here are the lights. My sister wants to put this angel this year. I think I'm gonna do it. And then these are all out already because, as you guys know, on the last video, I couldn't put the decorations on because the lights didn't work. Here's the outside stuff, by the way. I'm just gonna put that up and then that. And then, you know, over here we have like, the stuff that's gonna, I don't understand how to explain it, but it's gonna go on the yard trim. And then we have a bush light also. And then there's a oh, there it is, the projector. It's the outside. We were thinking of putting something on this side, but we don't know. Okay, so I'm done with everything that was in this box. I'm just gonna go in this box now and see what's there. I don't think I'm gonna put the purple ornaments this year. I think I'm just gonna go with gold. And I'm liking it so far. And my favorite ornaments are already on there. The pink cupcake. And I feel like this one's cool. I never put this one on since last year, so. Well, haven't put this on ever, I don't think. Where is she? Oh, I found her. It's Daisy from one time we went to Disney. And here's another one. But they're like old, like when we were like little. Like these ornaments, I don't know why, guys, I haven't seen this ever. But it says precious things are very few. Guess that's why there's just one of you. That's so sweet. This is grade 2002. I was really only 2 years old. Little me, like, this is, it just like grew up with me. Look, this one's so cute. It's a horse. So I broke a glass ornament. I'm kind of sad about it because it was cute. It was like a bell with that horse in it. And I broke it. Okay. I am done. It's like all right, but like, I don't know how I feel about the top. It's fine. But anyways, I like the decorations either way. Hey guys, so it's like later in the day. I went to Chloe's house. It's so convenient because their house is like, we all live in the same community. And so it was fun. We made cringy TikToks. Don't watch them at all. Don't go to make TikTok. We didn't finish the outside because we need zip ties and other like hook things to pin stuff down. And that's why I just stopped vlogging. Well, my storage on my phone was like full too, but I'm gonna start editing because I don't even think I started editing since, why is it so loud? I haven't edited since the art museum, so I need to do that. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but anyways, that's it for today. We were actually painting today, and Andrea painted this, but she didn't like it because it was supposed to be like cactuses, but I think it looks great, so I took it. She didn't want it, I don't know. And then I painted. This is like breaking because like the paint's like holding it down. So I think I'm just gonna duct tape this right here. But I didn't think it came out right because it was supposed to be like, I think I was paying more attention to the movie than painting the tree at night. So freaking good. Oh. It is so early, you guys. They were like, no, get out. Okay, guys, so we have our reindeer up. I like zip tied the heck out of it, but it's still, we can't light it up because we still need like more. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't know what show this is. I just clicked on it and it's like very I don't know what to call these, but it's very funny. But you guys need to watch it. Good morning, guys. So my mom got these new ornaments and they look so cute. Look, this is like bigger than the other ones. And then she has some extra over here. But I'm just gonna put these on the tree and then be done with that. Although these are like plasticated. Like it is like, there's a difference between like ours and like these, but it's fine. It'll be fine. I still need the hooks for these though. I'm just gonna follow. Oh, wow. Okay, anyways, I got them on the hooks. I'm just gonna hang them up now. Okay guys, so we're going out later to figure out, well, I need to look it up actually. I need to figure out if, okay, let me walk this way. I need to figure out what's going to tie down the lights outside. There's a rope like right here. Well, not rope, but it's lights that I need to pin down so it can like, so it could be like a trim around the mulch. I don't want to talk too soon, but I think I fixed my speaker. Not sure, but hopefully I did, because it's been messing up lately and I'm not with it. I always do this. I forgot my scrunchie. Let's hear Christmas music. Sorry, like I'm in the mood for Christmas, like a lot. Okay, hold on. Oh. And there we go. I painted this last night, and then I'm painting this one right now, but I have to leave. But like, it's gonna be a guitar. I'll finish that later. But I was painting, and then later I need to go on a scavenger hunt because I wear a bracelet every time, and I put it on the end of a pillow just so it like wouldn't get lost. And obviously I lost it. Honestly, it looks like it's gonna rain. We're just running a whole bunch of errands, really. So I mean, it's not really the vlog on my end. We are getting those things to put down the rope, and then extra lights because one of our bushes just needs to be lit up. Here we are. Huh? 2 little lights here. I'm just gonna put it on the tree and connect them together, and then my dad's getting carriage, but then we need mulch now. Ooh. Oh. Yeah, cheese. My video's coming up in like at 12. It's 11:38, and I have this thumbnail, and it sucks. I hated the thumbnail. I hate the thumbnail, but I'm probably gonna change it, but I don't know. There's still mascara on my face from yesterday. Oh my god. Disgusting! She was on bad, nevertheless. We got extra lights yesterday for this bush right over here. So we still need stakes for these. We went to Home Depot yesterday and didn't find it. I forgot, my phone died, and yeah, I don't know. And then this is what we only got for that bush, and I might do it now, or I could just do it later when we get back. My video is blowing up on TikTok, and obviously I look bad like I do now, but like I look bad in the certain one that doesn't, I don't want to blow up, blows up. We're talking about peaches and cream. Oh my god, what are these songs coming on? I need a girl, be my wife, I need a girl. Oh my god, these songs, man. Guys, finally, like, this is all we needed. Like, literally, guys, I'm literally making apple pie right now. I'm so random, but anyways, I had to make ground cinnamon, and we're like, I'm out of ground cinnamon, so I'm going to make my own ground cinnamon, and then I'm gonna do the crust, and then the apples. Like, I don't know, I'm random. All right, guys, so here's my dough. I'm so dead to myself right now. I'm just gonna put this in here until I'm done making the apple filling. I'm scared of this blender, and I had to cover my eyes the whole time because, I mean, I had to cover my ears the whole time because I was that scared. Because Because it's so loud. Like, it's so... But anyways, I just made ground cinnamon. Guys, I'm a chef. Like, look at this. I'm just kidding. I lay my stuff on the crust, but you know, it's whatever. I'm about to add these apples, and what I realized is I have no like top, so I might make it into a crisp. If you guys don't, you probably don't know what I'm saying. My bad vlogger kicked in. Forgot to show you guys. I put it under the stove already. That's it. Looking bomb. Okay, guys. So I think I'm done with this. I don't really know what else to add, but I just added some flowers and whatever and stuff like that. But yeah, we're done. And I'm watching, what's her name? Riley Simpson. There we go. Yeah, I really like this. It came out really good. There is, let's see. So I have these 3. It came in like a 3-pack. I think I'm gonna get more, obviously, but for right now, these are so cute. They're like, you know, harder than the regular paper, but now I'm just gonna do more on my sketchbook and let this painting dry. Let's go back in here. Here we are, guys. I'm all done with all this stuff. No more talking about the lights go wrap around all the way up like theirs are over there. They wrap all the way around. So